Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So AMC, something big is coming. I know you guys got scared this morning, especially ones way in the back that be hating. Soon as a prediction starts to go the opposite direction, and we still got ample time throughout the remainder of the day, they already will start, saying, "Oh, you wrong again today," and this, that, and the third. But anyways, guys, as we noticed, a lot of you probably didn't expect this today, far as for us to pull back the way we did and then to recover the way we doing now. And we didn't pull back in the grand scheme of things. Just like yesterday, we came down to around $21.76 or 22 bucks. I can't remember exactly, but we only pulled back $2 from where the peak was, and people was already having a sudden mood change. Oh, it's not, they already, and then all of a sudden it switched and went right back up. Same thing happened today. We had a nice performance straight out of the gate this morning, hitting a high of $27.19, almost retesting that high of Monday at $27.50. If we could retest that today, it is game on, guys. It's game on if we could retest that point. I know a lot of people was getting discouraged about the morning price action after seeing the bullishness and then the overall market in AMC just tank out of nowhere. Like I told you guys, it's going to be very, very choppy, a lot of volatility, especially being for the fact that everything is lining up. We was already lining up for a bullish market. We've been in the bearish market way too long. Even if we was going back to revisit the bearish market, now things is on ice, being for the fact that the economy is easing. Inflation is cooling off. The economy is getting a bit better. Things is starting to ease up a bit, which then in return can cause a reaction on the overall market to possibly not go back into a bear market because the economy is getting back and people is going to use that information and utilize it and take advantage of the cheap stocks and prices that's in the market right now and go ahead and load the boat. And like I say, guys, you definitely want to be paying attention to AMC because once it starts to move like this, moves in ways to where I know it should be going up on the day, but it starts to go down like it did, it all it's doing is trying to get the weak out. The people that have no conviction, the people that just sits on the sidelines with bukus of cash and wait until they see green or wait till they see the push in the direction that they aiming for to then throw money in. And as soon as it starts to, go against them, they sell for a loss and rinse and repeat doing the same thing over and over again, guys. So as we know, AMC done broke through a major resistance in order to confirm this uptrend back to upside, which was once we dipped like that the way we did, we need to break through $25.68. As you can see, we clearly done broke through that with ease. Now we sitting at $26.18, almost at the bottom of this morning, right at that 26.18. Not the bottom of this morning, but after pre-market little spike and then opening and then coming down in the pre-market, we almost near the bottom of that point, right at 26.18. And the way this bad boy is moving right now, guys, we could possibly go ahead and go up and create a new high on today. So I know a lot of people in the back like, dang, I thought he was going to be thought it was going to be a bad ugly day, so I could hate down below in the comments. But anyways, those guys, is looking good. As I say, we know the meme stock frenzy is heating back up. It's coming back. People is getting excited. So if we take a look at some of the other plays that we've been looking at in the market, guys, we made good money on Snapchat on the other day. The day is another good day to be making money on Snapchat. I alerted you guys in the VIP. We was up over 20% within minutes. And some may don't understand like how, to maneuver with options. Options, you able to, a stock can move up 3% overall. But if you bought options, you probably up 70, 80, 100% off a 3% move. And you definitely want to take profits. Don't just get in these plays and be up 30, 40, 50%, 100% and just watch it for it to go higher. And you thinking, oh, well, I can get 1,000%, 500%. No, you take that 100% and you do that 10 times. And now you got 1,000% return. And excuse me, or you take that 50% and you do that 20 times. Now you got 1,000% return. Because the longer you wait to hold and try to get more and be greedy, that's the more and more likely that stock is going to come down. And sometimes it'll come down, you'll lose all those gains and it'll come back for you in order to sell. But it's like, why do that? Why not sell the first time and then it's going to dip, rebuy, and then sell again on the next one, and that it's going to just compound over and over again. The times that it don't go as planned, you just want to lose $20, $30, $50, $20, $50. And by the time all those losses add up, you only lost $200. But as soon as one of your plays go correctly, which majority of them going to go correctly than not, that means whenever they do, you lost 200 between 5 plays, but one play correctly is going to make you, you know, $500, $600, $1,000, $2,000, depends. And that one play is going to wipe out all 5 of those losses and have you some extra money left over. So you could do the same thing. You could lose, and you can afford to lose another 3 or 4 times with small losses. As long as those wins overriding those losses, you're going to continue to succeed in the market every single time, guys. So let's go ahead and take a further look at some more bangers that's been going off. As we know, guys, Upstart, I told you guys we done alerted that in VIP as well. I told you guys Upstart has a lot more potential. You definitely want to be in that if you ain't in that as well. So you already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. Get in VIP, and we